Vinyl flooring is one of the most popular choices for homes today. It looks great, handles moisture well, and takes heavy foot traffic in stride. But most people clean it the same way they'd clean tile or hardwood, and that's a mistake. Today, I'll show you 8 practical ways to clean vinyl flooring the right way. Plus, what to avoid so you never damage it. What makes vinyl flooring different? Before we get into the methods, it helps to know what you're working with. Vinyl flooring comes in a few main types: luxury vinyl plank, which mimics hardwood, luxury vinyl tile, which mimics stone or ceramic, sheet vinyl, and the newer waterproof WPC and SPC core planks. Every one of these has a wear layer on top, protecting the printed design underneath. Harsh chemicals, rough scrubbing, or steam can break that layer down fast, and once it's gone, the floor loses its shine and gets harder to keep clean. What to avoid? Let's start with what not to do. Never use a steam mop on vinyl. The heat and moisture get into the seams and can cause the planks to lift, warp, or bubble. Also avoid bleach-based cleaners since they discolor and break down the surface. Skip abrasive scrubbing pads and steel wool, stay away from ammonia-based products, and don't use wax-based polishes. They build up over time and attract more dirt. And go easy on the water in general. Always wring your mop out well before using it. Method 1. Sweep or vacuum daily. The single most effective habit for vinyl floors is a daily sweep. Sand and grit act like sandpaper under your feet, grinding into that wear layer with every step. Use a soft bristle broom or a microfiber dust mop so you're trapping particles instead of spreading them. If you'd rather vacuum, use the hard floor setting and turn off the beater bar, since the rotating brush can scratch the surface. High traffic spots like hallways and kitchens are worth sweeping daily. Lower traffic rooms can go every other day. And a doormat at every entry point cuts down a big share of the dirt before it even reaches your floor. Method 2. Damp mop with warm water. For regular maintenance, a damp mop with warm water handles most everyday dirt without any chemicals at all. Dip a microfiber mop in a bucket of warm water and wring it out until it's just barely damp. The floor should be dry within about 30 seconds of mopping. Mop in the direction of the planks and change your water often, since dirty water just spreads grime around instead of lifting it. If you want a light degreasing boost, a few drops of dish soap in the bucket works, but keep it to about a teaspoon per gallon or you'll leave a sticky film behind. Method 3. Apple cider vinegar solution. For a natural option, apple cider vinegar cuts through grease and light stains without leaving a harmful residue. Mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, or plain white vinegar works just as well, into a gallon of warm water and damp mop as usual. This is best for lightly soiled floors. For anything heavily soiled, a commercial cleaner will do more work. Just never use vinegar undiluted, since the concentrated acidity can dull the finish with repeated use. Method 4. Commercial vinyl floor cleaner. When water or vinegar isn't cutting it, reach for a cleaner made specifically for vinyl. These are pH neutral, so they clean deeply without stripping the wear layer or leaving a waxy film behind. And many are safe for WPC and SPC floors too. Follow the dilution instructions on the bottle and avoid pouring the concentrated solution directly onto seams or edges. If your floor looks dull even after cleaning, that dullness is often leftover residue from older products. A proper vinyl cleaner helps cut through that and bring back the natural sheen. Look for one labeled "No rinse required" to skip the second mop pass entirely. Method 5. Baking soda paste for stubborn stains. For scuffs, crayon marks, or set-in food stains, baking soda is a gentle abrasive that lifts grime without scratching the surface. Mix it with a little water into a thick paste. Apply it to the stain, let it sit for about 5 minutes, then work it gently with a soft cloth or non-scratch sponge in small circles. Wipe with a damp cloth and dry right away. For heel scuffs specifically, a plain pencil eraser works surprisingly well too. Method 6. Can you use pine sol on vinyl floors? A common question. Yes, but carefully. The original pine sol formula contains pine oil, which can dull the finish with repeated use. Diluted, it's fine for occasional deep cleaning, about a quarter cup of pine salt to a gallon of water, damp mopped and then rinsed with clean water afterward. For luxury vinyl planks specifically, be extra cautious since LVP has a thinner wear layer than sheet vinyl and wears down faster with frequent use. Stick to it only occasionally, never as your weekly go-to. Method 7. How to clean discolored vinyl flooring. Discoloration usually comes from one of three things: rubber backing from rugs or furniture, residue buildup from old cleaning products, or UV sun damage. For rubber-related yellowing, dab a little rubbing alcohol on a clean cloth and gently rub the area, then wipe with a damp cloth. For residue buildup, a commercial deep clean solution applied with a soft brush, left for a few minutes, then mopped away and rinsed works well. UV discoloration, though, is permanent. No product reverses sun fading, so window coverings or UV filtering film are your best prevention. And if you notice yellowing near seams or edges, check for trapped moisture underneath first before treating it as discoloration.
Method 8. Vinyl floor polish to restore the shine. If a floor still looks dull after cleaning, a water-based vinyl floor polish can restore the sheen and add a thin protective layer over the wear coat. This is different from wax, which builds up and traps dirt underneath. Apply a small amount in a zigzag pattern across a section. Spread it with a clean, dry mop in long, even strokes, and let it dry for about 45 to 60 minutes before walking on it. High traffic areas can be polished every 2 to 3 months. Low traffic rooms, about twice a year is enough. Over-polishing causes the same buildup problem as wax. How to clean LVP flooring. Special considerations. Luxury vinyl plank needs a slightly different mindset. It's dense and water-resistant, but the seams between planks aren't always fully waterproof, so always clean LVP with a barely damp mop, wrung out thoroughly before each pass. Water sitting in the seams can seep underneath and cause the locking edges to swell. For debris stuck between seams, use a dry microfiber cloth or a soft bristle detailing brush. Never a toothpick or sharp tool, since that scratches the edges. And always check the label for safe for luxury vinyl plank or pH neutral before buying a cleaner.
So that's all 8 ways to clean your vinyl flooring. Daily sweeping, a warm water damp mop, apple cider vinegar for light dirt, a proper commercial cleaner for deeper cleans, baking soda for stains, careful use of pine sol, fixes for discoloration, and polish to bring back the shine. Follow these and avoid the don'ts, and your vinyl floor will look brand new for years to come. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.